Let's do a quick unboxing of Motorola Signature. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside and how the phone looks like. So straight away, after opening, I can see that all the content, all these accessories are here instead of there, so be careful to not drop anything. And first, let's take out the phone from the box. There we go. It is quite nicely packed over here, quite unusual. But we're gonna move on to the phone a little bit later. First, let's see what we can find inside. And actually, you can open this thing over here in order to find your USB cable. And it is USB-C to USB-C. Pretty nice stuff. All right, let's hide it now. And let's check out all of the different stuff that we can find here. There we go. Let me just move this for a second. We have a thanks note by Motorola. So here we can read a little bit about how, I guess, grateful they are for purchasing this phone. Quite funny, but it's nice that they included something like this. It means it feels a little bit more personal. Here we have our paper box that, of course, we can look inside in order to find the rest of the accessories. I'm gonna actually open it from this side over here. All right. So we have some sort of a manual in here. Yeah, I guess we can find a bunch of different information about how to actually use the phone. I guess if someone needs that, then there we go. We have the eject tool for the SIM tray. We have safety information, I assume. It looks like a safety information. There is also this paper that is now included in Europe. We have the IP rating over here. All right. And we also have a protective case, which, as Motorola usually does, it is a transparent one. So we have a transparent case that looks like this. All right, I'm gonna actually place it down in here, and let's take a look at the phone itself. All right, there we go. I picked this gold color. It is actually olive, I guess. And this is how they called Martini Olive, Pantone Martini Olive. So we can see the island for cameras in here. There's also like a dot in here, which is the microphone that we have at the back for cameras, I suppose. The material feels really nice at the back. I'm gonna check in a second what exactly it is. We also have a frame using a different material. Now, at the top, we have the speakers, I suppose. There's, of course, the Dolby Atmos text. I'm gonna try to show you exactly. There we go. We can it is a little bit visible. Let me try to get the focus. I'm not sure why it's not focusing, but you can see that there is one in here. All right, so we have our buttons on the right side. We have volume buttons and the power button. On the left side, we can find the Moto key. I believe it is called something like that. I don't remember exactly, but it is used for Moto AI mostly. We have the USB-C port at the bottom, speakers, a microphone, and the SIM tray. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So the back cover is fabric inspired finish. I'm not sure exactly what it is, how it's called, but this is what I managed to find. And of course, the frame is made out of the R-Craft grade aluminum. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.